Experience crystal clear visibility in any weather with the Bosch AeroTwin as front windscreen wiper blades. These two pre-assembled blades deliver outstanding wiping performance, long-lasting protection, and silent operation even at high speeds thanks to enhanced aerodynamics and a spoiler that minimizes wind lift. Easy, quick installation with the pre-assembled adapter designed for right-hand drive UK vehicles. Check compatibility to ensure a perfect fit and safe driving. You've got the purchase link in the description and the pinned comment. Introducing the Bosch wiper blade for the rear window model, a sleek solution that fits seamlessly and delivers reliable visibility in rain or shine. At a precise length of 350 millimeters, it sweeps clean with smooth, quiet action, restoring clarity to your rear view every time you need it. Built to last, it resists wear and tears, and its dependable performance keeps your drive safer. You've got the purchase link in the description and the comment. Upgrade your rear visibility with the Bosch wiper blade, a perfect fit for your vehicle. At 300mm, it delivers steady, whisper-quiet wiping through rain, sleet, and drizzle, thanks to Bosch's renowned reliability and precision fit. Designed to meet exact vehicle specifications, it stays secure and performs consistently, and so you can drive with confidence even in sudden downpours. Clear, street-free visibility isn't luxury here, it's essential. You've got the purchase link in the description and the pinned comment. Experience outstanding wiping performance in any weather with Bosch AeroTwin EMS. These front windscreen wiper blades deliver street-free clarity thanks to enhanced aerodynamics and a spoiler that minimizes wind lift and vibration for a smoother, quieter ride. Power Protection Plus keeps performance strong throughout the life of the set, while the pre-assembled adapter makes installation quick and easy. Only for right-hand drive vehicles. You've got the purchase link in the description and the pinned comment. Upgrade your view with the Bosch rear wiper, a replacement blade built for back windshields with original equipment quality. This stylish plastic blade features a 3-component rubber system that delivers clear sight without juddering or screeching, while the flexible rubber back keeps noise to minimum. The double wiping blade offers longer service life, ensuring you stay confident in rain or shine. You've got the purchase link in the description and the comment. For every journey, trust a rear wiper blade that performs when visibility matters most. The Bosch wiper blade rear at 330mm delivers a precise sweep, whisper quiet operation and durable performance against rain, grime and frost. Built to fit seamlessly, it safeguards your view without fuss, ensuring you stay focused on the road ahead. Clean, reliable clarity is never optional when you drive, and this blade makes it possible. You've got the purchase link in the description and the pinned comment. Introducing the Bosch wiper blade a precise fit for your vehicle's rear window. At length of 290mm, it delivers smooth, streak-free visibility in rain and grime every drive. Built to last, it locks firmly in place with dependable spring tension and robust materials, so you stay confident on wet roads. Subtle and obtrusive design means quiet operation and easy replacement, making rear visibility one less thing about. You've got the purchase link in the description and the pinned comment.